So let's get ready for Monday action because we have 5 stocks. We're going to talk about the price action, where the insider will get in to have a massive squeeze for those stocks, and where we're going to take a profit and the support for them. Straightforward, where you get in, where you get out, that's it. So let's get right to it and talk about first the heavily talk about stock which called impp. Last time we talked about it was around this technical area around the 17th of March when we were trading around the $2.80, and what we expect a massive selling pressure will coming in. Here we did in our Patreon around 17th of March, and here the price went near around the $2.80 and we expected to go around the $1.40 and then hold. If we go back here, we have the price visited our level of interest around the $1.40. The price jumped again around the $2 as we expected this jump down, and we did a nice trade here when we bought the support, and the price jumped perfectly as we expected around the $2 because we got rejected around the 2. Then the price went down. Why? Because the technical change, we have descending channel here forming, and the price is still consolidating and got rejected below, and this time we didn't hold the $1.45. So what we should expect, there's a massive level of interest right now around this area above the $1. This is psychological level. We're gonna see a price gravitate even some more, then a test for $1.45. This will confirm everything for impp if we ready to overcome the selling pressure from above, which is right now is lower from the $2 before. First was $2.80, then it's lower around the $2. Right now is lowered around the $1.45. So the next time we get around the $1, get rejected around the $1.45, that means the selling is still present and the short seller is really in control. The next time we overcome the $1.45 and close above it, this will be a sign of the pool is gaining momentum and the price will go test again around the $2. Just be careful. The $1 right now is the support. The resistance is around the $1.45. Next up, we have PRAGUE. PRAGUE is holding the support. Last time we talked about PRAGUE, the moment that we did this gap, and right now is holding it perfectly. We bounced from it so many times, and this one is been respected even last Friday. So by Monday, for PRAGUE to have a reaction and fill the gap around the $1.50 is holding the $1 above the $1. Otherwise, if we don't hold the support and close below it, just be ready for the 0.87. If we hold, we're gonna have the price test until the $1.53. This is the scenario for just the coming few days. The next one we have NIO. And for NIO, last time we did chart analysis here on our TradingView community. We said that the level of turning point for NIO is overcoming this level of ascending line. We expected the price would go back a bit, but holding above this box. The turning point will be here in this circle. So if we go back and see what's going on, we already did 2 tests for NIO, 2 tests and rejection. If we go in for our chart on our analysis here on our chart, we can see here perfectly we got rejected 3 times. 3 times got rejected and the price went down below this ascending line. So the next time we hold above at least to 23, we're gonna have the price go above and test the 26. Why, you ask me? Why, Jesus, 26? Because we have our exponential average. We meeting this as resistance, which is around our exponential average. After we overcome it, we're gonna have the 29.75, and the support should be right now at the 21.40. Next one, we have AEI. We talked about this channel and we're still respecting it. It takes time. As a trading, it's patient is the key, because you see how we gravitate down, then we go up, go down, go up, go down. Eventually, we testing this ascending line. This will be the turning point because we tested here, and tested here. So right now, last time we tested, the first time we tested this ascending line was the 24th of February, then the 7th of March, then the 10th of March, and right now the end of March we getting near, and guess what, the price bounced again. So as long as we hold above this ascending line, we are in clear, and this means the pull in control, and the price will go around the 0.59 where we're gonna see the squeeze. If we close above this level, we're gonna have the price the $1 for AEI and ILE, as well as holding above the 0.72, the resistance $1.05. Next time we close above, because we have two rejection, the 28th of March and the 21st of March. The next time we close above here, we're gonna see a price parabolic go around the $1.46 first, then the $2.14. Let's give you a bonus stock, which is BBIG. BBIG is still holding this box of consolidation, and really nice that we're still holding this gap that we did around the 21st of March. The squeeze area for BBIG is the $3.80. The next time we close above, we're gonna have the price test around the $5 or the $4.50, and this will be the ignition for the squeeze. Otherwise, we're gonna still see accumulation phase. What's mean accumulation phase is mean the buyer and the seller is in kind of agreement for the price value for BBIG, and this will confirm the squeeze if the buyer will overcome or offset the selling pressure from above, and this will initiate the squeeze. Otherwise, we'll initiate a sell-off if we don't hold the support. Simple as possible. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. As everybody knows, hunter never sleep. We prepare even in the weekend. So if you're new here, subscribe and let me know what's your stock you're hunting for Monday in comment section below, and let's get ready to it. See you in the next update.